Feel great, feel good about it. We made some mistakes, but overall feel good because we came away with the victory and that's what we needed. We needed to be 1-0 in league. We're going to play Chafee next week, which really for us is another rivalry game. There's still some things that we need to clean up, and in order to win close ball games, we need to do those things better to make sure that we win. The teams in our league are going to be better than Montclair, and that's what we need to get ready for.